Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having a really good question about the variable outline tool. If we take this line, and I want to show you there's two ways to do it, and then I think what his problem is. I'm going to hit the plus key and make that an exact copy of that. I'm going to grab my artistic media tool and go up here to presets and get one that has flat side and click on it. And for some real reason, Corel makes you. So there's a flat side. That's what he's wanting to do. But the only disadvantage in the artistic media tool, you've got to go and break it apart because there is a line in there still, and it could cause you a problem. Now, if we use the variable outline tool, he's not getting a flat side. So two things, and one, we need to delete that one. We can grab it right here and press it out, and you get a flat side. Now, there's another way around that, is to, let me take that line back. Let's go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. It's very invisible. Let's turn it back to red. Now we're going to get the variable tool, and I'm not going to get on the end, I'm going to get in the middle. And because it's an object, it's a little deformed there. Whoop, I didn't mean to do that. So maybe it's still better to, oh, you know what? There were two nodes there. Two nodes. Or maybe I did that at first. Okay, there's the line. So it is a hairline. And it's a curve, so it's not an object, but it is an object. We're going to convert the outline to an object, and see there's two nodes there. Oh, that's because it's an object, and it's got two nodes on the corner. So we take a variable speed, I say variable speed. Look at that. Total different look. Let's get right on let's take that one away. Get right on the end now, and for some reason it's trying to go the other direction. So maybe converting it to an object isn't the best scenario, because but anyway, he can get a round corner. Let me just draw a new line. You know, you don't want to get one that's too complicated or got too many nodes. But if he will take it and get right on the edge and then bring it out. But see, you have to go pretty far to get it to, so you could put another one and actually change it. But then you've got to mess this one up. But you could bring it in because we actually went too far. So really, if you want a true square in, the artistic media tool is probably your best choice. Anyway, hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.